Applications of trigonometry. Let me consider AB as the ground level and BC is the some lamp post or any flag posts. So we would like to measure the distance of this BC, and for which it subtends an angle from the ground. That inclination is theta. Assuming that a boy standing on the earth, let us assume him as a point here. So now this is called the line of sight. So he'll be looking at the top of the post at an angle theta from the ground, and this is called horizontal. So the angle subtended by the line of sight to the horizontal is called theta, that is angle of inclination or angle of elevation, you can call it. So this is called angle of elevation. Similarly, you can look an object from the top, and probably this is the horizontal. You can look at the bottom of the lamp post like this, which is mounted on earth. Now this is the horizontal. So the eyesight will be in this way. So this is the line of sight. So this subtends an angle theta, which is called angle of depression. This is called angle of depression. Okay, and based on that we can work out. Suppose if it is angle of depression, now we can draw another triangle like this and make it as a rectangle, so that this becomes theta. As far as this part of triangle is called, this is angle of elevation, but this is angle of depression. So the angle of depression can be converted in this way. For example, let me call this is D, C, B, and this can be A. So as far as the triangle DCB, the theta is the angle of depression, whereas we can consider the same triangle on the reverse side and it becomes angle of elevation. Okay, we can convert this as though he is looking from the ground. Actually he is looking from the top to the bottom. Okay, so you have the right angle here. This is also right angle. You know very well this is the opposite side, because this is theta means this is opposite side, and this is adjacent, is it not? And this is hypotenuse. Are you able to follow? Similarly here, the side opposite to the angle is opposite side. The side adjacent to this is adjacent side, and the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay. So based on these values, you can find out the distance. Actually, this is the height. This opposite side is height. And what about this? This opposite side is also height. So whether it is depression, angle of depression or angle of elevation, we can find out the height and the distance of the object also. And that's why it can also be called heights and distances. Okay. Take down. A circus artist. Let us discuss a problem. The circus artist. is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. Find the height of the pole. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Now let us analyze the situation. The circus artist is climbing, okay, so this is the question. 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top vertical top of a vertical pole to the ground. So it means that is this is the vertical pole and this is the ground. Now they have tied the rope from the top to the ground. Are you able to follow? So let me consider this is O and this is A. So OA is the rope and AB is the pole height. This is the pole and this is the height. AB is the height. You can put H. Okay. So you have got the rope and the AB as rope and OB is the earth. Now it is given the rope is at an angle 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. In this inclined long rope, how much long? How long? 20 meter long. So 20 meter length. So OA, now let us identify OA as the length of rope. And that is equal to, that is 20 meter. And AB is the pole height, and that is asked, so we do not know. Let us put H. Okay, so find the height. The H is asked here, so H is equal to what? So what is the trigonometric function that involves height and hypotenuse, because rope is nothing but hypotenuse here. So you can take sine theta, is it not? So sine theta, and what is theta here? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore sine 30 degree is equal to, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is H divided by hypotenuse is nothing but here the rope length 20 meter. Are you able to follow? We know already sine 30 is 1 by 2, is it not? So 1 by 2 is equal to H by 20. Therefore you can cross multiply. So H is equal to 2H is equal to 20 and H is equal to 10. So 10 meter is the height of the what? Poles. Okay.